Have you ever heard somebody talk about setting a word for the year? This is something I have seen people do over the years, and it's something I'm trying out in 2022. If you're new here, my name is Anita. I own FDS Creatives. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I help business owners just like you get more visible. If you are not yet in the video marketing for entrepreneurs group on Facebook, it's definitely a place you want to be. It is a place for action takers who are looking to grow their businesses. I hope to see you over there. Now, I don't know about you, but when I think about setting a word for the year, I think of a lot of words, things that I would absolutely love to grow in. This starts to bring in some of the goals that I have and some of the things I'm working on, ways that I'm shifting my business. And before I know it, I've got a page full of words, and it's really hard to think. And that's kind of what led me to my word. See, I think so many times as business owners, and I can also speak as a mother, it can be really great to absolutely work on all the different things that we want to do, right? As a business owner, absolutely, I want to grow my revenue, my reach, my followers, the things I'm doing, the things I'm not doing. You know, there's tons of things I could get better at. The list goes on and on. And then as a mother, right, there's tons of ways that I want to get better. The ways that I want the house to be cleaner or more organized, things I want for my kids, and things I'd like to do in this next year. And especially as a homeschool mom, if you are one, then you know, like, the plans and things that go through your mind and excitement of all the things that you could do. It's just amazing. But here's what I'll say that I want to work on in 2022. And the answer is focus. That's my word. And when I say focus, what it is that I'm working on is really focusing on the things that I absolutely know I need to focus on, like my priorities, the ways that I really want to build my business, focusing on the ways I really want to grow as a mother and what I really want for my kids. And I think when we can distill down this list that we have of all the things we'd like to accomplish and all the possibility of this next year, I think we can get it to a really simple form. And there's many books that are written about this idea of really getting focused on what it is that you're doing. And that's the best way to make progress, is to have a true focus. And so in this next year, I want to focus. I want to spend a year really focused on the things that are most important. And I can't wait at the end of the year to see, what did this look like? In what ways was I successful, and what ways do I need to work on this, a year from now? But I'm so excited for this journey to see, because I think when you start to notice something in your life, in my life, the need for focus, I think it's going to be so interesting to see what comes to light from me really taking the time to look at that. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. It's FDS Creatives. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, have a great day.